With Miro's infinite canvas, there's room for all sorts of content, including formats and other specialized tools to get your work done easier. Let's imagine we've come away from a project kickoff and want to organize our thoughts in the most effective way. Let's open a fresh new board and start with a deeper look at the Creation toolbar. This toolbar is our go-to for adding various elements to the board. Rearrange the Creation toolbar by dragging and dropping the icons, or to customize further, go to the plus icon, find the necessary tool, and then click Pin to Toolbar. We recommend only pinning tools you'll use frequently. For all the others, you can always search for them as needed. Okay, let's start creating. When you're feeling like you need somewhere concrete to start, open the template library, which allows you to choose from a variety of pre-made templates from Miro and its community of users, like this product brief or this decision tree, to help answer that age-old question, is it Tuesday?
Hey, Dan? Not a thing.
Well, it should be. I know what I'm doing this afternoon. For now, since we're doing a bit of a brain dump, I like to start with a sticky note. Select the sticky icon, click anywhere on the canvas to place it, and type to add text. As we add more sticky notes, we start to make connections, so we'll create lines connecting thoughts and ideas together. To add a line between objects, select an object, click on the blue dot, and drag to the object you want to connect it with. Now our ideas are starting to make more sense. We can further organize our work with frames. To add a frame, select the frame icon and click to add it to the board. Double-click on the frame title to change its name. Notice that if we click on the frame to move it, any content within the frame will move too. Some users, like structure-loving Matt, prefer to start with a frame and add content afterwards, whereas a free-spirited Robin likes to start with a mess and organize from there. Either works. Let's build more context within our frames with text boxes. Click this icon on the toolbar and click to add it to the frame. Use its context menu to format the text how you want. Let's also add shapes to design our viewing experience in creative ways with this icon. How about this shape here? We'll click and drag to draw the shape size we want and quickly add some text. Wow, these shapes really make sense for our diagram. Let's add some external content referenced in our kickoff that will help shape our ideas and spark new ones. We'll drop screenshots from our website and notes from user interviews onto the board, and even paste a link from an external research article that provides more context. You can also upload content with this icon and choose from several storage options to bring images, documents, and files directly to the board. Let's group these images since they belong together. Select them all, then click here on the context menu. Now these images all move as a group with one click. Perhaps we should use dialog bubbles instead of text boxes here. Simple. Select the text boxes you'd like to change and click the switch type icon from the context menu. Notice that the icon will match the objects you've selected as long as they are all the same type. We'll choose the dialog bubble shape from the options and presto, they all change just like that. Our board is really starting to look great. But I'm a little particular about how organized my board looks. So I'd like to align these stickies, but they're interspersed amongst so many other objects. No problem. We'll click and drag over our content to select multiple objects. Notice here that there is a filter option instead of a switch type icon because the objects selected are of varied types. Let's filter them by selecting and choosing sticky notes, and then we can quickly align them using the alignment icon here. Amazing! That was so much easier than moving them one by one. And there you have it. You've used Miro to externalize your thoughts and interact with them in a tangible way. Now you have a content-rich canvas ready for expansion and collaboration. This is not a thing. Whatever. All right, Miroverse, you got a new template.